Okay, everyone, I want to share to all of you about how to make contour with our desired borderline. Okay, first of all, you have to select view toolbar and just checklist about the sandbox right there, and then close. And then you have to select the from scratch right there, and then you can select set the grid spacing. In this case, I just set the grid spacing. It's around 1 meter. So just click right here, and then drag to the another area, and then you can drag for your desired dimension about the landscape. So you can just click in this landscape contour and right click and explode, and then you can select the stem. I'm sorry, you can select the smooth. Okay, and then you can set the radius of the smooth tools. Maybe it's around 4 meter. Okay, so you can click by one for every single contour as you want or as your target. Okay, this is about how to make the elevation about every single area of the contour, and maybe just this is about the example, and you can set the radius by your needs or by your desire. Okay, so and then you can draw the borderline of your landscape by using this rectangle first, and so you can set the make group this one, and then you can set the borderline. Okay, maybe this is for example. Okay, so you can delete the center plane first, and then you can select all this uh, outline. So you have to move this outline based on the blue axis, and then you have to move it uh, on the on this position. Okay. Okay, in this case, you have to adjust your uh, in this case you have to adjust your contour, and you can adjust this borderline based on your landscape dimension anyway. Okay, but in this example, I just wanna set the borderline from a contour. Okay, you can select this one, select this outline, and then you can select this drape, and then just click this one. Okay, and you can see about the borderline. This is it is landed according to this your outline. So you can delete it. You can move and duplicate it first. Maybe you can delete for every single unnecessary landscape on the another side. Okay. Okay, so you can delete for some unnecessary landscape right here. Okay, well, so you can get the cropping. You can get the crop landscape based on your outline on the top as you make before. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and thanks for watching. Just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.